first is about the price of fertilizer in the longer run. So the price of fertilizer is as per our policy. That is, we have the two policies. Urea policy, the price of fertilizer, the urea bag is fixed. And in the NPK fertilizer, it is as per the policy. That is, the price of DAP right now is at 1350 per 50 kg bag, and other complexes are the MRP is free. So about the use of fertilizer, I think the government has been promoting balanced use of fertilizer across the country, and towards this end, several steps have been taken at the state level. The state level interventions have been there to check diversion and hoarding, and there has been some panic buying initially. That also, our appeal is that ample stock is available. As I already informed you, about 51% of the stock for the season is available, and the more imports and the production, more imports are in pipeline, and the production is as per the normal schedule. About 98% is the gas availability, and the urea plants are running in full steam. Likewise, the PNK fertilizer is also being produced in the country. Regarding the availability of ammonia and sulfur that was asked, so the government is doing its best to ensure the management of surplus ammonia. In the production of urea, this surplus ammonia is generated. So all the PNK fertilizer companies, the companies have been asked to manage it between themselves, so that the excess ammonia that is technically produced by the urea companies is taken by the PNK companies, and they are suitably used. And likewise, for the oil marketing companies, the oil which are refining, so they also produce sulfur. They have been tying up with the PNK fertilizer companies have been tying up with them to ensure that they get the sulfur from that account, from those sources. Regarding the financial relief, as I've already informed, this is dictated as per our policy, and 2,21,152 crore was our budget in the last financial year. This year also we have about 1,77,000 crore, and right now the trend show, the price of some of the fertilizer like urea have close to doubled in the market. So as we work out the concession or the subsidy, we'll be paying them, the companies, in the due course, so that their liquidity is maintained. Regarding the demand management measures, the state level already efforts are being made, and we have the state level interventions to ensure that the fertilizers are not misused or hoarded, or they are not black marketed. Besides, the use of alternate fertilizer is already has been promoted through our agriculture universities, ICR and KVK. So the efforts are being made at the state level to ensure that balanced use of fertilizer is done, and the excessive use is curtailed. Thank you. Yeah, the imports that have reached our shores in urea, 12.51 lakh metric tons have already, in rupee term. No, we don't have the import bill as such. I can right now give you in terms of quantity. The import bill maybe will work out after the quarter is over. And a total of 19.94 lakh metric tons of imports have reached the country during this crisis period.